Hello, my little storytellers. I'm Grandma Khied. This is my magical storybook. Every time we open it, a brand new adventure begins. Come with me. Let's see where our story takes us today. This is Luis. Luis loves adventures, especially discovering amazing ways to travel. First, Luis saw a bright red car. Cars travel on the road. Can you say vroom, vroom? Vroom, vroom. Next came a yellow school bus. It takes children safely to school. Beep, beep, let's beep together. Beep, 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 beep. Then a train rolled down the track. Choo choo, wave goodbye to the train. Choo choo, choo choo. A happy child rode a bicycle. Ring, ring, can you ring your pretend bell? Ring, 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 ring. On the farm, a green tractor worked hard in the fields. Rumble, rumble. A boat sailed across the water. Splash, splash. Boats travel on water. Splash, splash. High in the sky flew an airplane. Whoosh! Can you point to the sky? Whoosh! A helicopter flew overhead. Whirr, whirr. Look how its blades spin. Whirr, whirr. Wow! Today, Luis discovered so many kinds of transportation. Some travel on land, some on water, and some fly in the air. Thank you for joining Luis on his adventure today. I hope you had fun learning with me. Thank you for spending time with Grandma Khied. I'll see you in our next story adventure. Bye-bye, my little storytellers.
Hello, hello, come and see. There's a magic book for you and me. Open wide and take my hand. Let's explore a wonderland. Storytime with Grandma Khied. Storytime with Grandma Khied. Read and sing, laugh and play. Let's learn something new today. Storytime with Grandma Khied. Storytime with Grandma Khied. Come with me, you'll soon see. Every story is magic. Bye for now, we'll meet again. Storytime with Grandma Khied.
Subscribe for more stories, songs, and fun learning adventures.